Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be relocating some items around our warehouse. First thing we want to do is select our warehouse tab down at the bottom of the app. Once we're inside the warehouse tab, we're going to select relocate, and it's going to pull up our camera on our device. And we can see at the very top of the app, it's requesting that we scan a location. So we're going to walk over to the warehouse location that we want to move these items to, scan that warehouse location, and now we can see that it's set at the bottom of the app. Any items that we need to move to this location, we can simply walk over to them, scan the label, drop the piece in that location, and we can see at the bottom of the app, we have successfully relocated it to this new location. And the logic is that I can scan as much freight as I can fit into that location. Now, if I need to move to a different location because I filled this, I can simply select set a new location, walk over to the location in which I need to move the rest of the freight to, scan that location, and proceed to scan the remaining items. And this is how you can successfully relocate freight throughout your warehouse.